Hello, hello. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm here to show you how to go through the checkout process on our site so you can purchase those items you've got in your cart. Once you've got your items in your cart, they'll go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the cart button. From here, you'll be able to review all the items in your cart and make any last minute changes or adjustments you may need. But if everything's looking good, I'm going to click the checkout button. And once we get to our checkout page, we'll need a bit of basic information. You'll be good to go. Your billing address should be filled in for you. It's provided to us by your company. So make sure everything's filled in and click the continue button. Your shipping address should also be filled in for you. It correlates to the ship to address you selected once you logged in. But if you need to ship to a different address, you'll click this ship to a different address button right here, then fill in all the relevant information. Just make sure you filled in every blank, selected your shipping method, and then click the continue button. Payment options, we have two choices. If you've been approved by Martin to pay by purchase order number, you can do so here. Otherwise, you'll click the credit card payment option, fill in all your credit card information, and then click submit order. I hope this helps. You enjoy the rest of your day.